These buildings marked the border of the holy area, in which no unbeliever was allowed to enter. This footage was made somewhere close to Mecca. And finally, this is the oldest recorded video footage of Mecca itself. The mountains of Mecca Valley, and the human settlements on them. Notice how different the place looked like less than a century ago. Here we see the everyday lives of the native people of Mecca. Remember the colorful tiles we saw in previous paintings? These are also visible here. Notice the old architecture. Here you can see the Grand Mosque. The gates of the mosque. And the Bab's Salam. And the first ever video recording of the Kaaba. The ceremony of Tawaf. The mosque is seen nearly empty just before the Hajj. You can see how it gets crowded as the Hajj rituals start. What you are looking at is the oldest video recording of prayers being offered at this mosque ever made. The prayer ends. This is the building of the Zamzam well. This is the Safa hill. Notice the arches of the building which were visible in many of the previous paintings. This is the ceremony of Sa'i on the Masar path, following the footsteps of Abraham's wife, Hagar.